Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I have another Bath & Body Works haul. Yes, I have not really been in store since I did, I think it was that SAS outlet haul. Like, it's been a hot minute since I've been in store. When I went into my local store today, they still had some SAS stuff. It was like one little table of 75% off stuff. But I mean, I think we're kind of all over the SAS thing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Y'all, this is the first video I'm making since I did my live the other night. I'm going to try to do Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If it's not every Tuesday, it will be every other Tuesday. But I'm going to try to do that a little more often. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. So thank you to those who joined in. And yeah, of course, today's look is by me, my lip look. I am wearing Tropic Flame. Yep, Tropic Flame. This one smells so freaking good. It smells like high C tropical punch, and I freaking love it. It's very pigmented. The lights in here don't even do it justice because they're so bright. The Tropic Flame is part of our Lost in Paradise collection. As you guys know, the other two are Pink Palms and Coral Reef. Yeah. Speaking of Banger Beauty by Mary, y'all, I'm going to get into the haul in a second, but speaking of it, starting Friday, going through Sunday, I will be offering free shipping on all orders over $30. So if you've been waiting to place an order, you didn't want to pay that shipping charge, now is the time to do it. It will be applied automatically at checkout, so there's no code you have to use, nothing like that. Get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Starts Friday, goes through Sunday, free shipping. Yeah, but let's get into this haul, okay? So when I'm in store, let me tell you something. I called every store. I'm in like Cleveland, Ohio, a suburb of Cleveland, Ohio. I called every store within 40 minutes away from me, which is a lot of stores. Not one of them had that new blueberry bundt cake, the pumpkin swirl, whatever, strawberry pound cake. Not one of them had that out on the floor yet. So how people are getting their hands on them early, I don't know. But yeah, so your girl's just going to have to wait till, I heard it was going out Monday. It's going out Monday. So, but let's get into this haul. Y'all, you did see they dropped all the new ginghams, right? Well, they're not new, but they could be very new to a lot of you all out there. So I did do a haul. I did end up getting a mini in the Gingham Glow body spray. I'm going to have to pull up scent notes. Scent notes on Gingham Glow are Golden Nectar, Marigold Petals, and Sun-Soaked Sandalwood. Now, y'all saw when I did that review and comparison, but it was with the perfume and the hand cream. So I definitely wanted to get a mini of the body spray just so I'd have it. And I have a feeling, y'all, this is going to be one I'm really, really going to like come fall. It is a beautiful, warm, floral scent. You definitely get the marigold in here. You get the sandalwood. You get a little bit of sweetness from that golden nectar. I think this is going to be a gorgeous transitional scent from summer into fall. I really do like this one a lot. She's grown on me a lot, and I'm really glad I got the body spray because I think I might need more. Yeah. I also got a mini, and of course, Gingham Gorgeous. And I will be doing individual reviews and comparisons on all of these scents. I'm probably not going to do Gingham Glow again. I already did that, but it's been a really long time since I've done ones on these other ones. So I will be doing one on Gingham Gorgeous. Scent notes on her are Pink Strawberries, Peach Nectar, and Peony Blooms. I love this one, y'all. I really love this one. I will be doing a review and comparison in regards to the original Gingham Gorgeous, and we're going to see how this plays out. Like, how does she wear? Is she stronger? Is she softer? Longevity, all that. You definitely get strawberry in this scent, though. You do get a tiny bit of peach, which I don't recall noticing that peach note before. and the peony. But the peony is so light in this. It's predominantly strawberry with a splash of peach. But yeah, I'll definitely be doing an in-depth review and comparison on that one. I also got the original Gingham, y'all. I was looking through my collection, and I could not find my original Gingham anywhere, like anywhere. So I have a feeling I ran out of it and was just waiting for a time to buy it. So what better time than now? But yeah, I did get the original Gingham. And it also struck me that I have never done a review and comparison on Gingham. Like, how'd that happen? How'd that happen? Gingham has scent notes of blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. Y'all, I think I forgot just how much I like this scent. It has been a long time since she's been in my collection, I think. Because I was sitting there like, when was the last time I pulled out Gingham? Like, has it been that long? Oh, yes. It's definitely a fresh floral. It's a fresh floral scent. I do like this scent. I'm actually kind of excited to do a review and comparison on Gingham, y'all. Like, for real, for real. And then, of course, I had to get the minis in Gingham Fresh. Yep, Gingham Fresh. Crafting After Midnight mentioned on my live that the packaging of the Gingham Fresh this year reminded her of the Vanilla Bean Noel packaging, and she ain't lying. It kind of does. Like, if you didn't know what it was, it does, don't it? It does. Scent notes on Gingham Fresh are juicy pear, sparkling clementine, and fresh daisies. I did put this one on earlier because couldn't wait to get this one on. I do have a mini in the original packaging, so I'm going to be comparing those for sure. It is a beautiful scent, though. You definitely get the pear. It's a bright, vibrant pear, along with the Gingham DNA. I don't get a lot of clementine in here, but I do love this scent a lot, so I'm excited to talk about Gingham Fresh in an upcoming video. And then they also had a pocket back sale going on today for $1 each in store. So I did end up getting the Blue Raspberry Freeze. I got Wild Berry French Toast. What is this one? Brown Sugar Toaster Treat. Pink Gumball. And the last one I picked up, I've never seen this with this type of packaging, coffee and whiskey. Look at that. They're kind of like making it appear like it's kind of gourmand. I did smell all of these. The only one that I'm really, really digging, this Wild Berry French Toast. That one's really good. But this coffee and whiskey, that packaging kind of was like, I was like, did they change it somehow? I don't think so. It still smells like what coffee and whiskey smells like, which I love that scent, even for women to wear that scent. But I just thought it was interesting how they put a croissant on the front. Like, yeah, but it's not a gourmand scent. It is pretty, though. I do like coffee and whiskey. And then, like I said, the Wild Berry French Toast was banging, baby, banging. Definitely recommend this one. Pink Gumball is always a good one. The Blue Raspberry, what is this? Blue Raspberry Freeze. That one smelled a little, to me, I wasn't a huge fan. But this Brown Sugar Toasted Treat, y'all, it reminds me of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I definitely like this one a lot too. But yeah, that is everything in my little haul today. I definitely will be doing in-depth reviews and comparisons on at least 3 of these because I already did one on this one and I don't see the point in doing another. So I will be doing in-depth reviews and comparisons on these 3. And yeah, on a Monday I'm going to have to snatch up that new bakery for fall. Absolutely, absolutely, yeah. But what did you think? What do you think of the new Ginghams? If you haven't had a chance to smell them before, tell me what you thought in the comments below if you have. Make sure you go to Bang Your Beauty by Mary tomorrow morning, depending when you see this. I might get this up Thursday night. It might not go up till Friday. But starting Friday, free shipping all the way through Sunday evening on any order for over $30 over at Banger Beauty by Mary. Now is the time to snatch them because we have new stuff coming. Oh, yes, we do. But yeah, but my favorite part of the video, y'all, say it with me, say it with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.